Here's how to get DaVinci Resolve for free. Let's go. First, you want to head over to the DaVinci download site, which I'm going to leave link down in the description below, or you can search it up yourself. And then once you're over here, you want to scroll down until you see DaVinci Resolve free download now. Go ahead and click on it. And then it's going to give you this prompting here where you're going to be able to choose which one do you want to download. Do you want to download the DaVinci Resolve or do you want to download the Studio? Now I'm going to download the regular one. And then you also want to select which system you're running. In my case, I'm running a Windows x86 because my system is a 62-bit system. But if you have a Windows ARM CPU, you could download that one, or if you're running any other different OS, download that one. Now click on the button for your system and then it's gonna have you put your details over here. So go ahead and fill this out. Don't worry, your download is still gonna be free, but you do need to register in order to download it. Now you only have to fill out the information that has this little asterisk right next to it. If it doesn't have it, you don't have to put it. And then after you're done, you're gonna press register and download, and then the download should begin right away. And if it doesn't begin automatically, you could press DaVinci Resolve Windows zip right here and the download will begin. Now all we have to do is wait for this to finish downloading. After you finish your download, go ahead and drag and drop your file into your desktop. You can find that file here on your recent download history or within the downloads folder of your computer. Now, once you have this file on your desktop, it's probably going to be a zip file. And if you're Windows 11, that's not an issue because Windows 11 lets you extract these files by default. But if you're not on Windows 11, I'll link down below in the description a video on how to install 7-zip, which is going to allow you to unzip this file. But what you want to do right now is unzip it. So right click on it and press extract all. And then that is going to put you over here. Go ahead and extract it. And now we're going to get a folder right on our desktop. And let's wait for this to finish. But this folder contains everything we need to install DaVinci Resolve for free. Now, once the extraction process finishes, you could delete the zip file. You don't need that anymore. And now go ahead and open the folder that was extracted. And inside it, you will find this .exe file, which is the installer for DaVinci. Just go ahead and double click on it. And that'll begin extracting files. And if you get an admin prompt, which my recording software doesn't pick it up, if you get an admin prompt, just go ahead and press yes. I just got my admin prompt and the recording software didn't pick it up. So I just press yes and that'll put you over here. Now selecting here what you want to install, I'm going to leave it as it comes by default. And then go ahead and press install down here. Now all you have to do is wait a little bit. After all the required components have installed, you're going to be presented with this page where you want to press next. Then of course read through the agreement, and if you agree, press you accept the terms of use and then press next. And now here you get to change the location of where you want to install DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to leave it on default, but if you want to change that, you could go ahead and change it and then press next. And now if you're finally ready, just go ahead and press install and wait for DaVinci to install. And then after the installation finish, you're going to get this prompt in here. You press finish and now you're going to get this prompt saying installation complete. Press yes. And now you could even delete the installer folder from your desktop since you don't need it anymore. And then just go ahead and launch DaVinci Resolve. You should probably see the shortcut right here, or you could search it up down here. Just type in DaVinci and then go ahead and open it in here. It's gonna give you this prompt in here. You could change the language if you want. I'm gonna keep it in English. Go ahead and press continue. Of course, you're free to read through it. I'm not gonna do the quick setup. If that's something you want to do, you could do it in here, but I'm gonna skip and start right now, which is going to open the actual editor. It's going to take a little bit to load, especially if this is the first time you're opening it. But then after that, you guys are done. You pretty much have DaVinci Resolve here on your computer. Now you are free to mess around with it and start using DaVinci Resolve for free on your computer, add your videos and start editing. And if this video helped you guys, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.